Morning. So what we're going to do now is upload products to the Shopify store. So we're here back in the Shopify admin and we're going across to products and all products. And what I'm going to do is just demonstrate using the information that I have how to add a product. So what I might do is just start with an existing product and copy that over or duplicate that. And the reason we do that is because I have a whole heap of formatting in here already and I want that to look exactly the same for the new products. So what we're just going to do is duplicate this product. We will go to the first product. So if we go to the spreadsheet, where is it? Here it is. So this is the Innovatec copy spreadsheet, and the first product is Innovatec Leo Contemporary Desk. So I'm just going to copy that, get back over to, where was I? Here we go. So we duplicate that product, Innovatec Leo Contemporary Desk. I don't want to duplicate the product images because I'm going to add new images and duplicate this product. So we have a new product. I then need to update all of the information here for each product. So when it comes to the description, at the moment, what we're going to do is just use the information from, or the description from the supplier's website. So we go across to the Innovatec website here. So this is the Innovatec website. We're going to look up the Leo Contemporary Desk. You can see here it says Retro Desk, this one, and we can see the description. So what we're going to do is just copy the description here. We go back to the Shopify admin. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Actually, I didn't use the right formatting. So if we just go to heading 5, that will give us the right formatting for that section and the right colour, which is to the right, so not black, but the next colour over. And that should give us the copy. Then if we go to back to that description, where was it? Over here. And I'm just going to add the features in as well. So I'm just going to copy that, go back to the page and add in the features. So you can see the formatting still not correct there. So let's just go to heading 5 and the right colour. You can see it hasn't looked the same as this. So there's something wrong there. I'll just have to go back to heading 5 again. Here we go. And now it looks the same. So that's great. So there's features. So basically it's just copying and pasting the description from the website into here. Then with the specifications, all the specs are over here on this spreadsheet called Innovatec Copy over here. So all the information you need is along in this spreadsheet. So what we've done is that we've put in the title, we've put in the description. Now we're just going to put in the dimensions. So I'm just going to copy that over, put in the dimensions here. Actually, I'm going to paste and match style, see if that works. Almost worked. I'm just going to tidy this up a bit. So put the dimensions here, and then I'm just going to change the colour. So you can see it's the right formatting, it's the right font, but it was the wrong colour. So that's done for dimensions. Now we go to material. The material is over here. MDF grade A metal, MDF veneer. So we just add that in here, the material. I'm going to right click and paste and match style. Again, that's the wrong colour, you can see, because that's black and that's not what we want. So we just go back to this colour. The colour is blue, so colour here. I'm just going to copy and paste that one over. Paste and match style. Looks like that colour copied over, so that's good. Country of origin, I don't have that information, so we're just going to delete that for now. And as you can see, sometimes the formatting goes a bit funny, so you've got to update it. Now, the colour of those, the assembly details should be 4 or 3 to the right of the black, or 4, so this one here, this colour here. So some assembly required, yep, assembly required. So I'll just change it to that, assembly required. Product weight, here you can see the product weight for this product is 45 kilos, so we'll say is 45 kilos. Where was I? Here it is. 45 kilos. The SKU code. So we'll have a look at the SKU code. BH180. So we go BH180. Now, so that's the end of that section. I'm just going to save it so we've got that saved so we don't lose it. Now, shipping and returns. If you go to the shipping and returns file, which I've also sent you, that's here. So I'm just going to copy and paste this. Now, you don't have to copy and paste it because if you duplicate this particular one that I've made, then all that information is going to be there anyway. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to copy each section. So you don't need to worry about this bit. I think that's pretty much the same copy. How much will it cost? I think that's all just the same copy. So the only thing I'm going to do is copy over this section. So as I said, just ignore this bit. Okay. Warranty. So if we just go over to warranty now. So as I said, shipping returns, you don't need to copy. Once you duplicate the product in Shopify, then that information will be there. So this product comes with a 12-month warranty, which we've already said here, yes, and there are no facts for this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is upload the images. So if we just go over to that file, we're going to look for the SKU code, which is on the spreadsheet here, BH180. So we'll look for the SKU code. We're over it now in the images file. So this is a desk. So we just look under desks, BH180, there it is. So what I'm just going to do is just drag that like that. Or you can add it through add images and select the file. That's good. Images there. For all the other products, just select all of the images that apply. So for example, there's only one image for that one, but for this one, for some of them, for example, there's multiple images. So just put all the images that I've put in the file. Pricing, this one is $9.35. So we'll go back to $9.35. Keep that ticked as charge taxes. SKU code was BH180. So BH180. We're going to say don't track inventory at the moment. Leave this product requires shipping. Now the weight. If you go back to the spreadsheet, you can see that I put in here a shipping weight. So just pop the shipping weight, which in this case is 70. 70 kilos, there's no variance. And now the SEO. So if we look at the SEO, remember you did this for me last time. Remember it has to be 70 characters maximum and 160 for the meta description. So if we just go over here, I haven't filled in all the information because it automatically populates. So what we're going to do is just, I've only filled in this top one, so we just cut and paste in here. Now all you're going to say, all the product is going to be is the brand name, the product name, and then we're going to add the SKU code on the end. And you can see that's 37 of 70 characters, so there's plenty of space. What we could do is, if we've got more room, we could add extra information like the colour. It's a walnut, so we could say Innovatech walnut, and we've still got plenty of space. Now remember this bit, what we're just going to do is add in here the product information. Oh, that's perfect, 158 or 160. So order the Innovatech Walnut Leo Contemporary Desk BH180 from Workspace Luxe. Receive $25 for your very first order with Workspace Luxe. And remember, last time what we did is we edited some things if we didn't need the copy. So, you could get rid of Workspace Luxe again if you needed extra characters, for example. So we'll just leave it up to you to decide how you edit this meta description here. Now we go to organisation, and we have got over here product type, vendor, and tags. So product type, you can see here, says desks. So we'll call this desks. The vendor is Innovatech. There is not one there, so let's just, you won't need to put that in, as you'll just be copying that over, so that's automatic. You can leave that as it is, and then we're going to put all the tags in. So all the tags I've added in here. So desks, price tag, brand tag, and anything else. So let's go back to that page. Let's just add in just going to move this over so you can see both next to each other. Sorry about this. Hide this one so we can see these next to each other. Right. Now what we're going to add in is, we had home office, we had the price is $9.35, so it's between 500 and 1,000. Get rid of these ones. It's a Innovatech that will be in each of them. Desks. I think that's all we had. We had desks, Innovatech, 500,000, home office. That's it. So it'll be easier when you're just duplicating it over, because you'll just be able to add them in. Most of them will be added in automatically. And that's it. That's it for a product. Obviously it'll be a lot quicker once you just copy and paste everything over, but if you just view it, make sure all the tabs are working. You can see here, that looks pretty good, right? You've got description, the specs tab. Yeah, that looks good. And that's it. Now just remember, sometimes if the tabs aren't working, like there should be those 5 tabs there, if it's not working, then you just need to highlight the heading and make sure that it's heading 4. It's an H4 tag for those headings, and that's what creates the tab. Okay, then with the next product, you're just going to duplicate that and then move on to the next product. So if you just start with this one, I've already made it, Innovatech Leo Contemporary Desk, and I'll just give you access to the admin now. Let me know if there's any questions or dramas. Okay, thanks. Bye.